Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 88. A jawless fish which lays egg in fresh water and whose larvae after metamorphosis return to the ocean. Option A. Petromyzon. Option B. Eptratus. Option C. Myxine. Option D. Neomyxine. Jawless fish which lays egg in fresh water, larva after metamorphosis returns to ocean. Correct answer is option A. Petromyzon.
Question number 65. Which extra-embryonic membrane in human prevents desiccation of the embryo inside uterus? Chorion, allantois, yolk sac, amnion. Extra-embryonic membrane that prevents desiccation of embryo inside the uterus. The correct answer is option D, the amnion. Question number 91. Listed below are 4 respiratory capacities A to D and 4 jumbled respiratory volumes of a normal human adult. Which of the following is correct matching of the two capacities and volumes? The capacities are given above as residual volume 2500 ml, vital capacity 3500 ml, inspiratory reserve volume 1200 ml, inspiratory capacity 4500 ml. Which one of the following is correct matching of the two capacities? The correct answer is option 3, that is the inspiratory capacity is 3500 ml and the residual volume is 1200 ml. So see, the columns are two different columns: residual volume, vital capacity, inspiratory reserve volume and inspiratory capacity. This is one column, and the volume given in front of them is a jumbled volume. So out of these 4 volumes, you have to identify which one fits the which volume or capacity correctly.
Question number 82. A person suffering from disease caused by Plasmodium experiences recurring chills and fever at time when the trophozoite reaches maximum growth and gives out certain toxins. The parasite, after its rapid multiplication inside RBC, ruptures them, releasing the stage to enter fresh RBCs. The microgametocytes and the megagametocytes are being destroyed by the WBC. The sporozoites released from RBCs are being rapidly killed and broken down inside the spleen. Person suffering from disease caused by Plasmodium experiences recurring chill and fever at the time when. The correct answer is option 2, when the parasite, after its rapid multiplication inside RBC, ruptures them, releasing the stage to enter fresh RBCs. So whenever the RBCs are ruptured, the chills and the fever occur. Question number 78. Which one of the following does not follow the central dogma of molecular biology? P. Mucor, Chlamydomonas, HIV. The correct answer is option 4. HIV doesn't follow the central dogma of molecular biology because reverse transcription occurs in HIV. Question number 77. BOD or biochemical oxidation demand in a river water has no relationship with concentration of oxygen in water, gives a measure of salmonella in water, increases when the sewage gets mixed with the river water, remains unchanged when algal bloom occurs. The correct answer is option 3. The BOD increases when the sewage gets mixed with the river water. Question number 68. Roots play insignificant role in absorption of water in option A. Wheat, option B. Sunflower, option C. Pistia, option D. Pea. Root plays an insignificant role in absorption of water in. Correct answer is option C. Pistia. Question number 96. Uric acid is the chief nitrogenous component of the excretory products of option A. Earthworm, option B. Cockroach, option C. Frog, option D. Man. Uric acid is the chief nitrogenous excretory product of. correct answer is option B, that is cockroach.
Question number 51. Which of following does not favor the formation of large quantities of dilute urine? Caffeine, renin, atrial natriuretic factor, alcohol. Which of the following does not favor the formation of large quantity of dilute urine? The correct answer is option B, renin. Question number 68. What is true about RBC in humans? They carry about 20 to 25% of carbon dioxide, transport 99.5% of oxygen, transport 80% of oxygen only, and rest 20% is transported in dissolved state in the blood plasma. They do not carry carbon dioxide at all. What is true about RBC? The correct answer is option A. They carry about 20 to 25% of carbon dioxide.
Question number 59. Genetic engineering has been successfully used for producing transgenic mice for testing safety of polio vaccine before use in humans, transgenic models for studying new treatment for certain cardiac diseases, transgenic cow Rosie that produces high-fat milk for making ghee, animals like bull for farm work as they have superpowers. Correct answer is option 1, transgenic mice for testing the safety of polio vaccines before use in humans. Question number 68. Which one of the following is used as vector for cloning genes into higher organisms? Baculoviruses, Salmonella typhimurium, Rhizopus nigricans, retrovirus. The correct answer is option 4, retroviruses. Question number 72. What is true about isolated small tribal population? There is no change in population size as they have large gene pool. There is a decline in population as boys marry girls from their own tribe. Hereditary diseases like color blindness do not spread in isolated population. Wrestlers who develop strong body muscles in their lifetime pass this character to their progeny. So the correct answer or the correct statement is statement 2. There is a decline in population as boys marry girls only from their own tribe. The question itself says it's a small isolated tribal population. So obviously they won't have a large gene pool. So statement 1 is incorrect. In such small tribal population where marriage is occurring within the population, chances of expressing of the recessive diseases, especially the sex-linked recessive diseases like the color blindness, is increases. Chances of expressing color blindness will increase. So they do not spread in isolated population. That's an incorrect statement. Wrestlers who develop strong body muscles in their lifetime pass this characteristic to progeny. This again is incorrect because the muscle growth is a somatic character and it won't be transmitted to the progeny, right? So option 2 is correct and rest other 3 are incorrect. Question number 61. Which of the following enhances or induces fusion of protoplasts? Polyethylene glycol and sodium nitrate, IAA and kinetin, IAA and gibberellin, sodium chloride and potassium chloride. The correct answer is option 1 is correct, polyethylene glycol and sodium nitrate. Question number 70. Herbicide resistant gene in plant is MT, GT, CT or BT? The correct answer is option D, BT. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.